Solve quadratic equations using the quadratic formula. So I'm going to write the quadratic formula first. S is equal to 5b plus square minus 4ac over 2a. So yan yung quadratic formula, di ba natin? So kailangan memorize natin yan. Okay. So babalik na naman tayo sa inaral natin in identifying quadratic equations or what's quadratic and what's not. Identifying A, B, and C. For example, madali lang to. X squared minus 5x plus 1 is equal to 0. Saan yung A? A is equal to 1, B is equal to negative 5, and C is equal to 1. Okay, so try natin i-solve. Let's not forget na i-rewrite natin siya, isulat muna natin siya na ganito. Okay? Wait, I'll write it. Ba't ganito isulat natin? It's equal to negative 5 plus negative 5 squared minus 4 1 and over 2 1. Right? So ganyan muna. Then doon na natin siya i-solve. So positive 5 kasi ganyan. Dalawang negative sign, so positive na yan. And ito, pag in-square mo yung isang negative, positive rin. Minus negative 4. Ay, wait. 25 to, 25. Positive 25. And then, 2. Okay. Tapos nyan, simplify even more. Simplify tayo. Is equal to 5. 21 over 2. So, meron pa bang mga numbers? May dalawa bang numbers na yung isa ay perfect square, isa ay hindi, na pag binultiply ay ang magiging product nila ay 21? Wala ata. No, wala. So, yan na yung answer natin. But, let's not forget the x sub 1, which will be 5 plus 21 over 2. X sub 2 will be 5 minus 21 over 2. Okay. So, paano naman kung ganito? 3 questions lang. Yung sa last na yung mahirap. Okay, ito naman. 5x squared plus 4 is equal to x. Diba? We need to write it in the standard form. So, 5x squared plus 4, minus x na agad. Minus x plus 4 is equal to 0. Tapos nyan, doon na natin isusulat. So, x equal to negative 1 over 2, 5. Yan. Okay. Burahin ko ito sa taas, ha. So, yan na. Solve na natin. I-gain positive 1. So, minus. Positive 1 na naman. Wait. Minus 20. Negative 80. Then, 10. Okay. Simplify even more. Okay, may problema tayo dyan. Bawal magkaroon ng negative dito. So, we have a solution for it. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin ay x equals 1 plus, para matanggal to, gagawin natin siyang I. I serves for imaginary. Okay? Katulad sa GC photo natin. And then, let's rewrite 79 over 10. So, ganyan. 1 plus imaginary. So, 10. So, yung magiging x sub 1 niya, x sub 2 niya, mostly ganito. X sub 1, x sub 2, yan. Paano kung ganyan? Okay? Suot muna natin. So, negative. Okay, negative 1 na. Yes. Okay. Solve natin. Plus, magiging 1 lang. Ito, since dalawa na yan positive, so, plus 12. Right, is it plus 12? Wait, no. 4, 2, 8. 8 times 3. 8 times 3 is 24. And then, over 6. Pwede pa natin i-expand yan. I'm currently recording this. Time check. 12:37 a.m. Pero I'm fine. Para sa inyo to. Kasi I care about you. Yes. So, expand natin. Magiging 25 over 6. Pagkatapos niyan, meron pa ba tayong pwedeng gawin? Wala na. Ay, meron pa ba? Munti ko na hindi makita. Pero nakita ko na ngayon. Pwede pa natin ito i-simplify. 6. Yan. So, hanapin na natin yung x sub 1 and x sub 2. X sub 1 is equal to negative 1 plus 5 over 6. Magiging ano siya? 4 over 6. Also known 2 over 3. Magiging 2 over 3 siya. And dito naman, x sub 2. Magiging negative 1 minus 5 over 6 equal to magiging negative 6 over 6 minus negative 1. So, yan yung sagot.